Hey everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial, and today's tutorial we are going to make our very own Habbo music video. The tools that you need are Gimp, Paint, Photoshop, or whatever software that you use to make pixel art. I am going to make two versions of the same tutorial but different platform. I am going to make the Gimp and Paint version, and the other one is Photoshop version, because not all software have the same features as Photoshop has. So I am going to separate the tutorial, but the process is kind of the same. It has the same concept but different style of doing it. Choose the platform that you want to learn with.